Samsung Galaxy M16 5G, can't beat the monster. Powerful performance. Experience blazing fast speeds with the MediaTek Dimensity 6300 processor, delivering an AnTuTu score of 422K+. Whether gaming, streaming, or multitasking, the Galaxy M16 5G keeps up effortlessly. Sleek and stylish design. 15% sleeker than its predecessor, the M16 5G features a linear grouped camera layout for a premium look that stands out. Vibrant Super AMOLED display. Enjoy Full HD+, 1080 by 2340 resolution on a 6.67-inch Super AMOLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals and vivid colors. Long-lasting 5000 mAh battery. Built for heavy usage, the massive battery ensures all-day power, supported by 25 watts fast charging, charger sold separately. 5G connectivity. Seamless 5G support enables faster downloads, lag-free gaming, and ultra-responsive browsing. Triple camera setup. 50MP main lens for crisp photos. 5MP ultra-wide and 2MP macro for versatile shooting. 13MP front camera for sharp selfies. Latest software and security. Get long-term OS updates and security patches until October 2030, ensuring your device stays up to date. Specifications at a glance. Processor, octa-core, 2.4 GHz plus 2 GHz. Memory, 6 GB RAM plus 128 GB storage, expandable up to 1.5 TB. Display, 6.67 inches Full HD+ plus Super AMOLED, 90 Hz. Battery, 5000 mAh. OS, Android with One UI. Weight, 191 grams. Final verdict. The Samsung Galaxy M16 5G is a budget-friendly powerhouse, combining speed, style, and endurance, perfect for gamers, multitaskers, and media lovers.